What's up everybody, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about abstract methods in Python. Now, for example, if I have a parent class and we'll name it as shape. So for example, if I have functions in it named as print area, print length, print breadth, and we have some child classes of it, for example, rectangle, square and circle. And if I want a function from the parent class, let's take it the print area function. So I want to define the print area function in every child class I have defined. So for that purpose, I can make that print area function an abstract method. Now in order to show you, I'll make a Python file right here, because if I tell it to you, you won't understand it. So I'll name it as abstract underscore bc, and basically we'll first of all define a parent class. So I'll write class shape, and then what I can do is that I can define a constructor. So I'll write def underscore underscore init, and then I'll simply pass, so I won't do anything inside the constructor. Then what I can do is that I can define a function. So I can write def print area. So I can write print area, and then I can simply return 0. So I'm not doing anything special in these functions. And for example, what I want to do basically is that if I make child classes of this shape class, for example, if I make rectangle and square class, I'll make one right here. So if I write class rectangle, and then if I inherit shape into it, and if I write pass, so basically what I want to do is that this print area function, I want to define it in every child class I make of this shape class. So for that purpose, I will have to make this print area function into an abstract method, so that whenever I make a child class of this shape class, that is the parent class, I will have to define this print area function, or else I won't be able to make an object of the child class. So in order to show it to you how it works, I'll first of all write pass right here, and I'll basically write a constructor inside the rectangle class. So I'll write init, and after that I will define some instance variables. So I'll write self dot length is equal to 10, and then I'll write self.breadth is equal to 20. So now I'll write 20. Now I will remove this constructor, because I don't feel that this provides any importance to our program. And after that, what I can do is that I can make an object of this rectangle class. So I'll write rect1 is equal to rectangle, and this does not take anything as an input, because as you can see that the constructor does not take anything as an input, so I won't have to provide into it anything into it. Now I want that the print area is mandatorily defined inside this rectangle class. And for example, if I am not aware that my rectangle class does not define it, what I can do is that I can make this as an abstract method. Now in order to make this method as an abstract method, I will have to import something from the ABC module. Now the ABC module contains many attributes. For example, there is ABC, and after that there is an abstract method module. So that is the most important module that we have been searching for inside this abstract concept. So I will write from ABC. From ABC we have to import abc meta, and then abstract method. So after this, what I can do is that I can basically write class shape, and then I will have to write meta class is equal to abc meta, and then I will have to define this print area as an abstract method. So I will have to write a decorator right here. I will write an %, and then abstract method. Now if I rerun this program, as you can see, basically I'll not write anything right here. I'll comment this out, and I'll remove this meta class. And now if I run this program, as you can see that it won't give me an error. It will show me that everything is working perfectly. You don't have to define this print area inside this child class, and everything is working perfectly. Now for example, if I uncomment this, and if I write meta class is equal to abc meta, and now if I rerun this program, as you can see that it has given me an error. It is telling me that it can't initiate an abstract class rectangle with an abstract class method print area. That is, it cannot make a child class named as the rectangle class with respect to the shape, that is the parent class, without defining the print area inside it. And that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted the print area function to be. I wanted the print area function to be defined in every child class I make of this shape class. So what I can do right here in order to remove this error is that now I can define the print area function. That is, I need to define the print area function in order to make this program run. So I can write print area, and after that I can write return. So I will write rectangles area. And now if I rerun this program, as you can see that now it won't give me an error, it is running perfectly fine. But for example, if I comment this print area function inside the child class, and if I rerun it again, as you can see that it is telling me that it cannot initiate this child class. That is, you have defined an abstract method right here, but you haven't defined it inside the child class you are inheriting. So you cannot make this child class, and this is not plausible. Now if I make another abstract classes, for example, I'll copy this and after that I'll paste it right beneath it. And after that what I can do is that I will change this print area function into print length. So I'll write print length, and after that I will write shapes length. So I'll write shapes length. And after that what I can do is that now if I rerun this program, as you can see that it will give me an error. Now it is telling me that you haven't defined a print length function inside your child class. You have defined the print area one, but now where is the print length child class? That is an abstract method as well. So I'll have to define that as well. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it below this, and after this I'll make it print length. So I'll write print length, and after that I will make this as rectangles length. Now if I rerun this program, it will work perfectly fine and it won't give me an error. And now I can even use this object right here in order to access this print area function. So I can write print rect1 dot print area, and after that if I rerun this program, as you can see that it will print rectangles area. So our program works perfectly fine right now, and I hope that you guys understood what are abstract classes and abstract methods and how we can use it and where to use it. Now for example, if you want to make a function that we have to define it inside every child class, you can make it as abstract method. And in order to make it more efficient, in order to make it more feasible, what you can do right here is that if you are inside Python 4 or even higher than it, you can just remove this abc meta, and after that you can remove this meta class, and you will just have to write abc right here. And then if you rerun this program, as you can see that it won't give an error and it works the same as it did previously. So that's how guys you can change the abc meta and to abc. And this was a small minor change that I wanted to tell you, but this basically works in Python 4.0 or greater than it, so don't take it seriously if you don't get it. But as you can see guys that we have understood what are abstract methods, and we are on our way to become a Python master. Now, if you haven't accessed my Python for Absolute Beginners playlist, the link will be in the description. The link will be in the description and the source code will be in the comment section below. And guys, if you haven't accessed my Python playlist, please do, because I have made this playlist solely for the purpose that you guys understand every concept of Python in basic and simple English, and you get every aspect of it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. More videos will be coming on this channel. I hope you're safe, and I'll see you next time.